Hello. The coolest thing about the work I do as a mindset and leadership coach is that it allows me to get a snapshot into people's minds. No matter how successful, I find that most people find it really challenging to be happy with what they have. Are you one of them? Here are 3 mindset hacks that will get you started on your journey to happiness. Number 1. Exercise tip for starters. I'm a real promoter of physical exercise because you will find that most people who get the body moving are happier in life. But what if you are not big on exercise? Mindset hack number 1. I encourage you to get started by setting the goal to do some squats or lunges while brushing your teeth, or push-ups or a plank before or after brushing your teeth. 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the evening are a great start to get moving and feel better. It does not have to be long. You just have to get started. Number 2. Shift your mindset by starting to speak differently. We have all heard how great it is for the results in your life to have a more positive language, but this is often easier said than done. Mindset hack number 2. Say thank you instead of I'm sorry. Here's an example. I'm sorry for being late. Much better. Thanks for waiting for me. It is better to feel grateful rather than guilty. Number 3. Self-care can be scheduled. Self-care isn't being selfish. It is necessary for you to be a better boss, a better co-worker, parent, or simply a better person. Mindset hack number 3. Schedule yourself in the calendar. This can be me time for whatever is important to you. If you don't block time for yourself, your time will be taken by everyone else. Here you have it. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.